All right, today I compared and contrasted three different dental softwares. The first one being Open Dental. This one was faster than paper charting, easily reversible if you mischarted. They had a section where the amalgams and composites were in sections such as DO, MOD, where you could quickly just click on those and add them to two surfaces. Moving forward, we had EagleSoft. This one was a little more complicated than Open Dental. It had a lot of tabs on the right-hand side that included the dental hygiene codes. And basically, for example, if you had an existing sealant that was charted with a blue S, unlike the Open Dental that was charted with green. And even for a pre-posed sealant, it was charted with the blue S, but with red lines going through it. And I feel like that was hard to differentiate the two with them being so similar. Another thing that was different was that in the dialog box, it actually included the dollar amount for the treatment that was going to be rendered. And also that the charting, you could chart the restorations, they would be detailed. So for example, you could chart the distal or mesial line angle or even the cervical thirds with restorations. And lastly, what I noticed, I feel like this one's more similar to paper charting because, for example, when it charted the impacted teeth, it had a red circle around it, just how dental paper charting would, unlike in A2 where we would just have that maroon eye really close to the tooth. All right, so lastly, we had the Dentrix software. This one was more similar to Open Dental out of the three, and just like Open Dental, the existing conditions were in green and the proposed treatment was in red. The only major difference out of the previous two was that it had icons where you could see what you're charting rather than it being written out in words.